right leadership fún gbogbo àwọn òbí àwọn ìyá tó ń sunkún yìí àwọn ọdẹ mọ̀ pé ìjọba lọ́wọ́ fún wọn ṣe
Students going to school and not returning back home. We are tired of our students remaining in the. We believe with good and the correct unity of purpose, with the correct mindset, with the fact that if everybody wants to do the right thing, the military have the capacity, the security agencies have the capacity to put an end to this insecurity in this country. We as Nigerian students, we are tired of our students going to school and not returning back home. We are tired of our students remaining in the bush for the past 2 weeks.
Oh, yes.
Mr. President, do everything in your capacity. Do everything you can do to return our students back to their parents. With them and the teachers, to return the students and the teachers back to their parents. Let them return back to classrooms.
My advice, not just to people living around here, to the entire student community, is that security is everybody's business. Secure your environment. If you see anything, say something. Because no place is safe. If it has not happened in your state yet, or your local government, don't think you are safe. It is going around. We must sit up and encourage the government, stand with them, support them. Like my president said, he said it's not time to do politics with this insecurity. We must support the federal government, the state government at all levels to make sure our environment, our campuses are safe.